Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert video into animation for free. So first thing first, we open our browser and then you go to morphstudio.com, or you can just search Morph Studio on this page. Okay, so we're going to sign up or with email, or you can continue with Discord or Google. So I'm going to continue with Google. All right, so we are in, and then on this page, so what we want to do is get started. So we're going to create a new project, or you can just text image to video transfer file, create a new project, then you name your project, you select whatever screen size. So I'm going to go with this. So right here we have multiple options. We have text to video, we have image to video, we have video style transfer, and we have lip sync, batch image upload, and video splitter. So for the sake of this video, we are working on video to video. So you're going to click on video file, video style transfer. All right, so once you click on it, then you click on this icon right here. All right, as you can see, we have video to video. So we're gonna choose a style. So we have Anim 3D, we have Anim, we have PixArt, and we have realistic, we have cyberpunk. So whichever one suits you is what you go for. So I'm gonna go with cyberpunk. Then down here we have lip sync bands. Okay, you can that. Right here we have custom style. I'm gonna go with cyberpunk, animation, duration, check, style strength. You can just play around with these settings. Then we're gonna upload a video. So our video is ready. So right here it says describe the content of the video. That's optional. Okay. So let's see. I think we have everything. So I'm gonna put this as 0.5. Alright, so the more you increase it, the more stylized the video is. Alright. So then we'll click on this star. Alright, once you have your video, right here you can scale it to 1080p, lip sync, style transfer, or you can regenerate if you don't like the video you're seeing. Okay, so then just click on export, click on the video, right? Then you download your video. So this is a way to convert video into animation for free. All right, if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm going to check out our video to see how it came out.